Senate Electrical is part of the Rexel Group, the #1 worldwide network in the distribution of electrical parts. We believe and understand the necessity of eco-friendly products. Through a network of over 80 branches in the UK, we stock merchandise from the leading manufacturers in all electrical areas. Our suppliers and manufacturing partners have been established in renewable energy since 1979 and have been a BP solar distributor for 20 years, so you can be assured that we only deliver products of the highest quality. Get paid for the energy you create. BP's photovoltaic devices, otherwise known as solar cells, were invented to utilize the sun's energy in order to generate electricity. The panels are made using recycled materials and even waste from other industries. This ensures that with BP Solar you are not only reducing your own carbon footprint, but also investing in a product made with the environment in mind. The installation of PV solar cells is quick and simple. One of our expert engineers will visit your property to carry out a quick assessment and inform you which solar panel roof kit would best suit you.
So here I am in the attic. I'm just about to undertake the survey of the roof line, the roof structure. I need to measure the width of the roof, and I also need to measure from the ridge down to the gutter line to give us the size of the array that we can fit onto this premises. Having taken internal measurements from the pitch and the width, I'm now going to check the timbers to make sure there's no signs of damage or wear and tear on the roof itself. All this information will be given to our office, and they will take this into account when they do the design.
Once decided to go ahead, our certified engineers and electricians will begin the installation process. DJK is one of our most trusted partners specialising in renewables and electricals in both the domestic and commercial markets.
The DJK was established in 2005, predominantly a mechanical and electrical contractor using our skills, myself as an electrical engineer, Chris likewise.
Yeah, mechanical engineer, predominantly the heating side of things, heating, ventilation, air conditioning. As a company we got together a couple of years ago, merged our two businesses and focused on renewable energy.
BP Solar's advanced technology transforms the light into direct current, otherwise known as DC electricity. An inverter then converts the DC electricity to alternating current AC electricity that is used in your home or business. Typical efficiencies achieved are 90 to 95%, ensuring your energy yield is maximised.
We've got Scott here who's now terminating the inverter and all the component parts, the DC isolators for the two strings that will come off of the roof. They go into the inverter, which then converts the DC voltage into an AC voltage and back out into the meter.
During this installation, our electricians shall make sure that your current electricity circuit is disrupted as little as possible.
The AC circuit now runs down to the distribution board where Scott makes the final connections. That's done on an individual distribution board, so we don't interfere with the property's current distribution board.
Whilst the inverter is being prepared and installed, DJK's engineers will begin installation of the solar cells. The process abides by rigorous health and safety guidelines, ensuring the well-being of our partners and your household.
See, the panel's going relatively easy. You've got a 4-rail system. It's been clipped to the roof using special clamps that go underneath the pansole and hook onto the joists underneath, so it's fully secured. You can hang quite a lot of weight off these rails. The panel's gone quite easily. They sit predominantly on these initial kind of like suspension clips. They just allow you to put the panels on the frame and stop it sliding off and just make life easier for you. So you then got these clamps here that go down onto the channel, and just a simple screw and it's fixed down. It's all torqued up. The panels can't go anywhere. The system's all looped together in a kind of as a string, and they're connected one to the other one, to the other one, to the other one, so they eventually go back through the roof for the LED flashing. We then have a return cable comes out and connects to the end of the system. The two strings are independent of each other until they get back to the inverter. When they meet up with the inverter, they provide the voltage, and it's converted to AC for use by the household or back into the grid.
After the final connections are made, our electrician will set up your inverter and the system will begin to operate.
So here we are, everything's complete. The system is now up and running, as you can probably hear. This is the generation meter. The main isolator for the system is here, and we have the DC isolators here that control the array up on the roof. The system itself we can go into, the client can come up here at any time and check the performance details. So when we enter the performance details, we can see what the system has actually produced day by day.
Upon completion, DJK Renewables will issue the project completion form and the 25-year warranty. The customer will instantly begin saving energy and money, breaking even after 7 to 9 years, and will begin profiting financially.
We've completed the installation now. The final procedure is for us to sign everything off and issue an operation and maintenance manual. This gets issued to the client. It gives all of the details of the installation and everything they need to know regard to maintenance in the future. They are with npower. So they have got their application form sent from npower after making the inquiry about the generation system. We just undertake the completion of this form. We send it off with the MCS registered certificate that we have filled in online. That will then get signed off and they will begin to earn money from their installation.
By harnessing nature's power, you can earn up to £1,400 per annum and lower your electricity bills by up to 50%.
Well, the reason why I invested in BP's solar panels is that they're one of the market leaders. I did my research and I know they're good. I was really happy at the end of the day with the appearance. They would certainly reduce my electricity bill, and there also is a pay-in tariff. So there is a financial reward to this. I was surprised that the work didn't really impact my life when I was actually here that much. It was all done outside with a few bits of work within the loft. It didn't really impact me at all.
What's great for the customers, this is going to earn them quite a substantial amount of money. Approximately £850 a year they will earn from the generation tariff. That's income paid to them just for producing electricity. They'll also can save around about £250, £260 worth of electricity per year on the energy they're generating and what they use in their home. The total investment is going to pay back in about 8 to 9 years, and they've got the potential in 25 years to get a £73,000 return on this installation. So it's good news for the customer. It's a worthy investment, and on a south-facing roof like this one, there's money to be made. The panels are guaranteed for 25 years. These are BP panels. They've got the best warranty available on the market at the moment. They're guaranteed to produce 85% of the electricity that they're producing now in 25 years' time. They're a fantastic piece of kit, and you'll see them rolling out across the country in more and more numbers, and they're going to be a common sight in most rooftops, in most houses, in most towns.
Make energy, make money, make a better future.